Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this look is actually a recreation. So I saw one of my followers, also someone that I follow, did this look. I loved it so much that I decided to try it out. No, it's not like hers, like perfectly like hers, but I tried and I loved how it turned out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so I did part of this eye off camera. It's not yet completed because I'm going to use the white liner to tweak it up, but I'm going to do that last because it tends to, the colors tends to seep into the white liner. So I'm gonna do that last. So now I'm just gonna prime my lids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the yellow character. The lids I'll be using are from BH Cosmetics. One of the palettes is from BH Cosmetics. This is the Ultimate Neutral Shadow Palette and the Zulu Palette by Juvia's. So I'll be using the white out of the BH Cosmetics, and I'll be using the purple, pink, yellow, and orange from the Zulu. Alright guys, so I'm going to apply the purple first, so going in my crease with that, and then I'll join it on the outer part of my eye. So I'm basically doing like a cat's eye, giving you like a cat's eye type of vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm building up the purple in my crease, making sure it's blended out, like blended, okay? So then I'm going to use the pink and go a little bit above the purple in my crease, and on the outer part I'll go a little bit below it, and then I'll just blend both colors together, so you know they don't really have any harsh lines or anything like that. So because I was blending both shades together, the purple got a little bit light and I wanted it to look dark, so I went back in with the purple in the crease and on the outer part just to darken it up again. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the yellow corrector. I really do love using this shade just because it has a yellow undertone, and I pretty much love concealers that has yellow undertone. It makes the eyeshadow pop more. Even with my highlights, it makes it pops. So basically I cut the crease, but as you can see, at the outer parts I still had the eyeshadow on the outer part of my eye. Looking at it, you should understand what I mean. Okay, so taking the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to apply the white shade on my lid. So excuse me. So I basically just apply the white in the inner corner of my eye, the inner part of my lid, I should say, sorry. So basically what I did on the other eye, I'm going to do on this eye. So yeah, just building up the white because it's not coming out as bright as I want. So I just have to continue building it up. So taking the Zulu palette, I'm going to apply the yellow next. So right where the white stopped, I'm going to put the yellow and blend both of them into each other. So you won't have any line of demarcation. Then I'm going to take the orange and right where the yellow had stopped, I'm going to apply the orange. So basically what I did with the yellow, I'm going to do with the orange. Then I'm going to apply the pink and then the purple. So right here, I'm going to take my brush that had the concealer on it. I'm just going to carve out where the white liner is going to go. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So I went off camera and did the rest of my face. Here I'm just applying my face powder. That's the L'Oreal True Match 4.5, W4.5, which is fresh beige. I'm just applying that all over my face right now. Listen, I really enjoyed doing this look. I don't know, I think I do better with bold colors. What do y'all think? So then I'm applying my blush. This is the matte blush palette from Beauty Treats. And I'm just applying that just to give my cheeks a little bit of color. You know what I mean? So purple was already on this brush, so I'm just using it on the outer part, at the bottom lash line. I'm going in with pink. I'm just using the brushes that already have on eyeshadow. So the same brushes that were used at the top, I'm using at the bottom. no added eyeshadow. Going in with the NYX white eyeliner. This takes a lot of work, so I'm going to do on the camera on one eye, the other on the off camera. So you see it's already sucking up the purple. Like I'm holding my breath, I'm not blinking. It's a lot of concentration for me. Good. To do it on the bottom part, no. Let's see if I can start from here. Alright guys, so here I'm using a lavender pencil, and the lip gloss that I'll be using is from Iman. It's kind of like a nude color, but yeah, at least I got to record my lips this time, because in my previous video I did not get the chance to do so. I think I did not get the chance to do so. But yeah guys, I really love this lip combo. I used to do this all the time, but you know you gotta switch it up. So yeah, those are the combinations: the lavender lip liner and the nude lip gloss, and it looked really nice. My lips look so juicy, oh my god. Alright guys, on to the highlights. I love doing my highlight, you guys. So this palette is from Beauty Creations, and this is the Kali Glow palette. I really love the glow, the shades in it. So I use the first one. It's kind of pinky as well. So yeah, just use that and apply it on the higher parts of my cheekbones. This is the end of the tutorial, you guys. Thank you guys so much. And don't forget to turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. Leave a comment, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.